Steel has always been a foundation of Europe's industry. But today, steel must answer new questions about energy, emissions, efficiency, and responsibility. In Riesa, Germany, those questions became a challenge, and that challenge became a project.
It was a very ambitious challenge. In Riesa, we were asked to design and install Europe's most innovative plant. Here, Danieli not only supplied the technology and equipment, but also partnered with Feralpi for the on-site assembly, ensuring adherence to expected timelines and quality standards.
From the beginning, this was not just about supplying equipment. It was about redefining how a rolling mill could work and what it could represent. What makes a project truly transformative is not technology alone. It is the alignment between vision, investment, and trust.
We found a customer, a partner, an owner, and a local team, visionary and courageous enough to commit long-term vision, resources, and trust to a project designed from the outset to become one of the world's leading plants for rebar steel technology.
For Feralpi, the new rolling mill wasn't just an expansion. It represented a statement about the future of steelmaking in Europe.
It's a new challenge for ESF, a rolling mill that boasts the best technologies available on the market today, the best digitalization, zero direct emissions. It's a modern rolling mill.
The new rolling mill at Elbe Stahlwerke Feralpi sets a new benchmark in low-emission steel production.
There are no direct emissions. It's a practically zero emissions plant. And this goes toward the objectives currently being asked of us by the European community, but above all, the communities of citizens.
The induction technology application is a green solution fully embodying the key principles of sustainability, a common goal for both Feralpi and Danieli. It is an innovative yet proven solution, characterized by a layout configuration with hot billet transfer over an elevated bridge more than 300 meters long. An unprecedented solution, ensuring zero direct CO2 emissions and complete independence from gas, favoring electric energy usage.
But we will also consistently continue down this path to continue producing steel from electric steel mills, which already has very low emissions, in such a way that it becomes even greener and that decarbonization and further CO2 reduction continue. And I believe we are one of the leaders in this area.
In Riesa, endless rolling is made possible by Danieli's 6th-generation K-welder, while the K-spooler line allows the production of coils up to 8 tons, a world first in this category. The result is not just lower emissions, but greater flexibility, efficiency, and product range. From deformed bars to hot-rolled coils, the new mill expands Feralpi's ability to serve the German and European markets.
This is an investment that goes in this direction, that is, to address the needs of the market, the customers who request this product, and to strive for a very broad range, the broadest possible, which has been a strategy that the group has followed in recent years.
The rolling mill means for us that we not only want to produce more steel in our steelworks, but that we also want to bring a wide variety of reinforcing steel products to market via 2 rolling mills, and via the new rolling mill, the new hot-spooled coil in the weight class of 2.5 to 8 tons, and especially in Germany. And Feralpi will very clearly live up to the reputation that we are also technology leaders with this new technical equipment, with this new technology.
Automation, big data, and real-time process integration ensure consistent quality, while minimizing energy consumption, turning sustainability into an operational reality. Delivering such a project required more than engineering excellence. It demanded coordination, adaptability, and trust. On a compact site, integrated into existing buildings.
It was a huge challenge, you can imagine, from a construction engineering perspective. We weren't building on a greenfield site. Instead, we integrated this rolling mill into existing buildings and also constructed new ones. So it's a mix of old and new structures in terms of the building situation. And I believe it was an enormous challenge that we were able to bring this rolling mill to final commissioning within 3 years.
The construction of the plant is also the realization of a project, a dream.
In RISA, innovation, partnership, and responsibility have come together in a single project. A rolling mill designed not just for today, but for the future of European steel.
So, I believe the German staff, as well as the Italian staff, are very excited. I believe that today, the greatest satisfaction is precisely what these people experience. Seeing something. From the beginning, it seemed like something on paper. Today, you see it realized.